All right, guys, so I ran my truck. I predicted 450. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. This week we got a good one for you. We're getting ready for the NWO Showdown. I know we got to pull the dyno out because it has not ran since last year. We're going to run a couple trucks on it. Hopefully my truck's one of them, so I can see all the 300 horsepower it makes. But I've never ran on a dyno, so I'm pretty excited about that. We will be at NWO. If you guys are going, stop by the booth, get some merch. We'll have all of our display parts and stuff. We will have some fab items you can come and get. But yeah, if you guys are there, don't forget to stop by. Put your truck on the dyno, have some fun, and we will see you this weekend. But until then, enjoy the video. All right, so first things first, we're gonna put some lights in the trailer. We got these motion censored lights off Amazon. They're cheap, but this seems like they're gonna work. So let's put some lights in this bitch. All right, so first thing is done off the list. Got the lights in the merch trailer. Next thing is going to be the dyno. We need to move the gooseneck and get it pulled up. We're probably gonna end up doing it tomorrow because it's like 35 degrees out right now. It's supposed to be about 60 tomorrow. So we really don't want to dick with it in this cold weather. But we will get the dyno out tomorrow, put my truck on it, get to see what my truck makes, and get to see if the dyno works. So killed two birds with one stone there. But yeah, next clip you guys are gonna see is us setting the dyno up and running the truck. All right, guys, so it's currently the next day. We're gonna get the gooseneck moved, move some vehicles around. We gotta get the Denali out of the way of the gate. We're gonna use my truck, pull the gooseneck out of the way, and then we'll use Alex's 6.0 and get the dyno up front and get everything hooked up and ready to go. Can't see shit out of this thing.
I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
And as you can see, we had to use Alex's old armadillo to pull the dyno up. He is running his truck as well. I know it's got a bunch of stuff done to it, so it'll probably put up more numbers than mine, obviously, but we're just testing the dyno out for the NWO Showdown. We really hope to see you guys there. And yeah, enjoy us hopefully not blowing our trucks up. All right, so as you guys can see, I put the stocks on the back. I didn't want to run it with the big wheels. I wanted a good accurate horsepower
Today, Junior?
reading. So we put the stocks back on the back, and unfortunately, it's probably gonna make me lose 200 horsepower, but as you guys can see, they're Chevy stocks. That's the only ones I had at the moment. I don't have any of my stocks here, and yeah, so we're gonna get ready to get the dyno together, load everything up. We're gonna use Alex's truck and we're gonna use my truck. Yeah, we'll see how it does. What's your guys' guess on horsepower for my truck? It's completely stock, just got a dyno tune and a built trans. I know last time it was at the dyno, my brother said it made 516, I believe. So I don't think it's going to now because it's got a slight boost leak in the intercooler, but I'll be curious to see what it does. All right, guys, so I ran my truck. I predicted 450, made 452. Not bad for a stock motor, and it's got a major boost leak on the intercooler, so I'm pretty happy with it. Now we're gonna see what Alex's truck will do. I know it's gonna blow mine out of the water. It's got quite a bit of stuff done to it, but when he's done running, I will have him explain on what all is done to his trucks. Alright guys, it is currently Friday. We're gonna finish packing up all the stuff. I got some displays done for the t-shirts. Little update on the dyno. Alex truck, as you've seen, when he was doing the dyno, it didn't stay locked in on 4th. So he claims that when it shifted, that's where it lost its power. I don't know. But his truck, I think, did like three something, high 3s. But yeah, I mean, we weren't in no competition, but we were just trying to test the dyno, make sure everything works, everything is good. So we are going to finish cleaning Dakota's truck. My truck, I buffed it. Got a little bit of touch-up stuff I got to do before we leave. But other than that, I think everything is done for NWO. We will be leaving today and setting up everything. But yeah, we really hope to see you guys there. Sorry this video is kind of short. Like I said, we've just been really busy trying to get everything set up and get everything ready. But yeah, like I said, really hope to see you guys there. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell. I will have another video for you guys Monday, hopefully, covering the NWO show and how everything went. So, yeah, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.